Hi friends, welcome to this week's weekly challenge. So here today you can see that we are having with us the data of two teams. The first team's name is Rockets and the second team's name is Choppers. Here we have the names of the individual members of each team and we also have their scores. Now, basis the scores, I want to identify the top 3 players from each team based on the sum of their top 3 scores. So go ahead, pause the video and try to find the resolution for this issue. Then you can come back and I will show you how you can resolve this issue. Well, now that you're back, let me show you how you can do that. First, we'll click in the top left corner of the data like this, and then we'll use a function called as equal to sum, open bracket, and highlight all the 4 scores, close bracket, minus min, that is minimum of these 4 scores. And we close bracket and we hit enter. And then we copy the formula down. Same way we'll do over here, equal to sum, open bracket, select all the 4 scores, close bracket, minus minimum of these 4 scores, close bracket, and hit enter, and then copy the formula down. Then we'll select conditional formatting, top bottom rules, select top 10 items, and instead of 10 make it to 3 over here, and here let us select green fill with dark green text. Click on OK and we get the top 3 people, and let us select this team. Again, conditional formatting, top bottom rules, top 10 items, change this to 3 and select green fill with dark green text. Click on OK and we get the top 3 people in Team Rockets and top 3 people in Team Choppers. Hope you have learned something new. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And we'll see you again in the next video. Till that time, goodbye.